Home repairs, paid without a dime? What if I told you sellers could pay for your home repairs without handing you a dime? It's called repair credit, and it's one of the smartest buyer tools out there. Instead of cash, credits, reducing your closing costs, or even your loan amount, you can save at the table. DM me credit, and I'll show you how to use a strategy to save thousands and win negotiations. Hi, I'm Cheri Ettinger with Option 1 Real Estate. And remember, it really does matter who you work with, and I'm here to help.